Welcome to tutorial. So in this video I will guide you how to verify your Rarible account. So my account is verified within 24 hours. So congratulations, you now have verified page on your Rarible account. So here you can see my account is verified. So how to verify your account? So I am just refresh here it. Now here you can see it's not a screenshot, my account is verified. So I will guide you how to verify your account. I will not give you any guarantee they will verify it, but I can guide you. So this is my second account. So let's go to setting. I just open setting. Here you can see verify your account. Now you need to click on get verified. Once you click on get verified, they will show you this process with your verification process to get more viewability and gain trust on Rarible. So once you click on verified, you need to complete this step. Later you need to upload your profile picture, bio, tell them about you. So let's add bio or profile picture and then bio, and then connect Twitter account with Rarible. So I just upload my profile picture. So make sure you are uploading a right profile picture related to your account. So I just add username and then short bio, tell about you. So I am NFT creator, loud updates. So I simply email is not required, but you make sure you enter email to secure your account. Okay. So if you have a website, you can add website. So I am just adding my Twitter account. Now first of all you need to type your username, and then you need to click on verified, and then they will open a new screen to post a Twitter, and here you can see my account is verified. Okay, so my account is verified. Okay. So make sure you are login with same Twitter account. For example, I am verifying this username, and make sure you are login with your account. Now click on again get verified. If you complete all the steps, then they will show you process to get verified. Now click on get verified. So a new form is open once you click on get verified. So here it's loading. So here form is open. Want to get verified, please make sure you have the following: a profile photo, at least one atom on Rarible, add short by a social media account linked. Click on click me and now read all the guidelines. So now click on next button and share a link to your profile. So now go to Rarible, visit your profile and copy your profile URL from here. So now click on now copy your profile URL and now paste it here, and now click on OK. And next please enter Ethereum follower. So now type your wallet address. Now I copy this wallet address from here and now click paste it here, and now click on OK, and tell us about yourself. Now tell them about yourself, who you are, what about you are creating, why you are want to be verified. So I am just give you some example. I am a freelancer creator, so you can type anything who you are. For I want to verify or something like this. Just explain them. I am just give you a simple example. You need to type a big paragraph to explain them and everything. So once you type your about paragraph, now click on OK. So you are creator or collector. So I am a creator. Okay, and next attach a screenshot of your work. Okay, progress on one of your mind atom in the editor of your choice, e.g. photographer. So type now they need a document. Document is your NFT creator platform. If on which platform you are creating your NFT, just go to your platform and edit your NFT and then take a screenshot of your recent NFT and then paste it here and now click on OK. So they will verify you are a original creator, not a fake person, and then they will verify your account. So here you can see my main profile is verified because I provide them everything and they verify my profile. So that's so easy. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you to get verified on Rarible. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.